maybe behave appropriately.
And by the way, this was on a camera phone. There were 2 TV cameras back there.
See, we got a North Las Vegas police officer in front of us. They use BMW motorcycles, whereas Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department uses Harley Davidsons. That's the difference between the 2 departments. He was traveling behind traffic, then got frustrated because of everyone slows down, of course, when the traffic cops are behind him, so then he whipped up to the front. So when that green light turns green, I imagine he's going to take off. And as I suspected, he's gone.